Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your total AV subscription. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you there are three methods by which you can cancel your subscription. Like the first is for their official website, and the second for Android user, and the third for iPhone users. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website totalav.com, and once you are on the official website you will see this kind of a window like this. Okay, and on this window you need to see you need to find out at the left side of this panel, there are so many options. In the add-on section there is a option subscription. You can only see this option when you take the subscription. This option will automatically activate when you take any subscription on this platform. Okay, when you click on my subscription it will redirect you on this kind of options where my services and all are listed. So you need to select your product, the product which you want to cancel. Okay, like total AV security, total AV VPN and all. So you can see like each and every service have the option cancel subscription. When you click on cancel subscription, it will redirect you on new screen. On the new screen it will show you this kind of verification. You need to enter your code which is sent on your email ID, which is your registered email ID, and you need to enter your code and verify your identity, and you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, so if you have taken your subscription, or if you have taken your you can select subscription on your Android device, how you can cancel it? You need to open your iPhone, you can select Android Play Store, and you need to tap on your profile icon. You need to select payment and subscription, then you need to select subscription, and then hit the app like total AV app, and then you can follow on screen instruction and you can cancel it. If you have taken your subscription on iPhone, you need to open your settings app. You need to tap on your Apple ID, then select subscription, then select your app like total AV app, and then you can follow on screen instructions and you can cancel it. So by using these three ways you can cancel total AV subscription. Okay, now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.